In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart. Whether you're new to creating diagrams or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Lucid website. Open your browser and go to lucid.co. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Creating one is simple. Click on Login located at the top of the page. This will redirect you to the login page. Here, you'll have the option to sign up with Google, which is quick and convenient. Just ensure you have your Google account details handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. Look for the New button to start creating your diagram. Clicking on this will open up several options. We want to select Create from Template to make the process a bit easier. Lucidchart offers a variety of templates, and for our purposes today, encourage you to choose a flowchart template. These pre-designed templates are a great starting point because they provide a basic outline that you can customize to fit your needs. Now with your template open, you'll see that Lucidchart has various tools and features you can use to personalize your flow diagram. If you need to add more steps or shapes to your flowchart, simply drag them from the toolbar on the left onto your canvas. It's quite intuitive. Just click and drag to drop new elements wherever you need them in your diagram. As you build your flowchart, keep in mind that the clarity of the information you present is crucial. You can edit any text in the shapes by clicking on it and typing based on your specific topic or process. Clear labeling and concise descriptions make your diagram more effective and accessible to your audience. Feel free to make additional edits. You can modify colors, connectors, and the overall layout to suit your personal style or brand guidelines. Play around with these options until you're satisfied with both the functionality and aesthetics of your flowchart. A well-organized flowchart not only communicates information clearly, but also leaves a lasting impression on those who view it. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating a flowchart in Lucidchart. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with Lucidchart and its features, the more efficient you'll become at creating polished and professional diagrams. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.